Hello all, this is Dipali from ShubhSaugat, India. This time I have created this beautiful project. This is a coin box. You can see like this it works, and I have 4 designs here, and this and this. Okay, so this is very beautiful, and I have this 1 rupee coin at present. I don't have the silver coin at present, so I'm keeping in showing you this, that how it comes here, right? You can see. I will tell you that the diameter is around this is 1.5 inches. Okay, so any coin which is of 1.5 inches or below that 1 inches, it can easily come here, and then you can lock it up. It's tight here, won't open. Okay, so thank you. And yes, here you can write the name of any person you want, or the bridegroom name you can have here. And why to write the name on the silver coins? Because after that we cannot give to anybody else if we want, right? If we get any silver coin in wedding with the groom and bride name. So this is the box for that purpose. Means coin, you can have the plain coin, Ganesh and Lakshmi. But the thing is that rather than writing the names on the coin, you can have the names on this box, and which people can use for life. And this is very good, you can see. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.